Here we have a cheap, basic safe. I'd forgot the password. It's been sat there for months, years in fact. Batteries had corroded inside. Damaged. Put new batteries in, nothing. So, how to crack it? Quite simple. I had to break this front off. Find a positive and negative. Find a 6-volt old power supply. Soldered it positive and negative. Plug it in. You'll hear the safe beep. There we go. And watch this. We're in. That's how simple it is to break into one of these safes. It's now closed. Unplug it. Solenoid kicks in. It's now locked. Plug it back in. Solenoid clicks. Open. So don't waste your money buying these safes.